Ladies and gentlemen, please direct.
So I'm in Naiya now, if you can hear me. I found my way, but I don't know why this place is so dark. It's so dim. They barely have lights on, and their ATMs are not working. And I'm a bit shy to vlog. I think the check-in counters are open early, so that's what I'll do. And I need to pee. I just passed immigration, so I am on my way to my gate. I'm so excited. I'm going to Hong Kong. I know I haven't really started this vlog properly, but let's go to Hong Kong. Hello everyone. So I am going to Hong Kong if I haven't mentioned that already. I am currently at the boarding gate waiting for my flight. And I just passed immigration pretty smoothly. They didn't ask anything from me. I was asked a total of 3 questions. So let's do a what's in my bag. The bag I have for this trip is this one. Very cute. It's from Poland. And I have a bunch of pouches because this doesn't have a zipper, as you can see. So let's start with this one. First one, we have my digicam. It's the Canon IXI. I hope you can hear me, or this would be all in vain. Next is my sunglasses, which I should have put in my check-in bag, but I forgot. This is my electronics pouch, chargers, power banks, my tiny earbuds, whatever. Wallet. It's the wallet from Artwork. I currently have 50 pesos. I am going to Hong Kong with hopes and dreams. And then this is my toiletries makeup pouch. It has, as you can see, an off lotion. This side has my oil blotting paper. I have powder, hand lotion, perfume, eye drops, and lip balm. Next would be this pouch that comes with a bag. What's inside? A pen. You need a pen when you're traveling. Dry tissue, wet tissue, a bag holder thing that you put on a table and you hang your bag handle from here. I have gum and Vicks. A bunch of documents that I printed for immigration, return tickets, certificate of employment, accommodation, leave of approval, I think. and itinerary, and my passport, and my boarding pass. So that is what is in my bag. I am actually filming this with my iPad because my phone is charging. I keep looking at myself. The camera is here. Let's go! I am so tired. I am delirious from the lack of sleep. We're finally boarding.
Cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito.
I have arrived. It's very cold. Kusog kayong aircons everywhere. And I'm also very sleepy. Ayun ako guys. So nakakaroon sa cultural center. And it's been a journey. Getting here was a journey. Nagkakatawa lang ako in disbelief of what I'm doing to myself. Like, gibook na ko ning trip on a random day and I forgot about it. Kunya karon, for the past like month, I have been procrastinating on planning this trip. So, niyanhi ko, I'm in Hong Kong with no plans. No itinerary. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm eating. I'm just here for the vibes. And so far, the vibes has not... oh no. I can't talk. So far, the vibes not giving at the moment. I fear this might be an L trip. And that's on me. That's on me because again, I procrastinated on planning this, so now I am just walking around aimlessly. I'm in Cultural Center. Behind me is the Victoria Harbor, I think, and that's the Hong Kong skyline. So ang nahitabo after I got off the Airport Express, which was fairly easy if you ask me, I got stuck roaming around like an idiot inside the freaking mall. Kaya sa mall man mo gawas, gikan sa Express. I was stuck there because I could not for the life of me find I could not find the exit. I just wanted to go to a bus stop or like a train station that would take me to my hotel. I couldn't. I don't know what was wrong with my sense of direction. I just could not find my way. And I finally found my way out at a random exit. I hailed a cab. Now I'm here after dropping off my bags. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna come of this trip. My fault, my fault. Shopping. All Heatex. I am so tired. It's raining. I spent a fortune in Uniqlo. I don't. Where am I going? When does this end? I'm finally in my hotel room. Today was a crazy day and I'm very tired, and it's about to be 6 p.m. and I am dead on my feet. So when you share a room, it's just very small. Hong Kong is very small. So now private bathroom CR. Here's my things. Here's the bed. It is actually reasonably big. I love that. And it seems comfy. I am so tired. Sakit kaya akong tiil. My Merrells, as cute as they are, they're not made for walking that long. But garain man, so I stuck to wearing that. And akong New Balance, which I'm sure would be a lot more comfy. Na din he. And it's light. It's gray. Light gray. Mahugaw. Let's do a haul. Because this thing was the only thing that went right today. So far, this is the most I've spent on Uniqlo. And they're pretty good. It's nothing exciting. Heattech. So I bought an ultra warm thing. So I got like the top, and then I got the matching pair for the bottoms. So these are the ultra warms, and I need this for my upcoming trip, my winter trip in January. Dili ko magsaba asa dapat. Y'all can guess. I got 2 heat-tech socks. So, para warm and toasty aton toes. So, all in all, I got 6 items. So that's 2 pairs of ultra warm heat-techs. I actually saved by buying from here. Let's go find dinner. I think we're going to Mongkok. Ako lang i-scout ang area because I think mag-window shopping ko tomorrow. Mangita kog shoes. If naa. And I think naa dito ang dim sum place na lami daw. So, we shall go. Same outfit. Naka-cardigan lang ko because it's been raining. And mag-shoes unta ko. Wala ko nagdalag medyas. Wala ko nagpack og medyas. So, magpahit pa kog medyas para mag-shoes ugma. Nata sa ato ang very mighty old hotel building. It's very small, as you can see, and kita ninyo kung sa sketchy ang ground floor. We are here. Good morning. It's day 2, aka our last full day here in Hong Kong. So, this is the outfit for today. Right now, I'm just doing my skincare. I'm so sleepy, guys. I worked for a few hours last night and slept. I have a total of 6 hours of sleep. Could have used more. We do what we do, and it's already ended. It's almost 9, and I would have wanted to start earlier in the day, but when you're tired, you're tired. This is my lotion, but also my face moisturizer. Ever since I started Accutane, my skin in general has been very dry, and this is the only thing that's been helping me. So, it's actually really good. It's non-comedogenic, so it doesn't clog my pores. And oh my goodness, I am so tired. My feet hurt so bad. I used like four patches of can't even talk right now. 4 patches of Salon Pass on my poor feet last night, and fortunately I got to buy socks.
at a random store last night. So I am finally wearing, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's my New Balances. It's not raining right now, but it's still a rainy day in the forecast. It's gloomy. It's 9 a.m. and gloomy. So hopefully it doesn't rain too hard. I don't want to ruin my shoes. We're gonna do a time lapse of me getting ready because this is taking too long. I'm finally done getting ready. It is 9:31. So we're gonna go to Bake House so I can pre-order egg tarts that I will pick up later tonight. And then we're gonna go to a Chachan things because I wanna try the Hong Kong style French toast. And then we're gonna go around and get more steps in. Sure. Koan. We'll find pasalubong, we'll go to a Sephora, and wherever our day takes us. So, makeup as usual. I think it turned out pretty well. Pero the blush was patchy. I think it's because of the illuminator that I put on like the high points of my cheeks. But I digress. Let's go. I have everything I need. So my tripod with my timer. Forgot that yesterday. So let's go, and I'll see you wherever. So, nibalik ko unexpectedly kay nakabay ko sa Bakehouse egg tarts. Ang akong I expected for there to be like a long line kay TST ni siya nga branch. Apparently not. So wala, timingan ko. And timing pagid kaayo nga pag abot na ako sa counter fresh bago pagigawas. So we have here, I bought 3 boxes. So ang kuan, ilang isa ka kuan. So na 6 ka buok sa isa ka box and $12.5 siya per egg tart, and so I paid a total of $225. Mahal siya actually. Ato siyang i-calculate. Nagamit ko sa akong phone, so dili ta mag-calculate. Let's just say mga 1,000 kape. Ang tulog. So, wala pa ko nag-breakfast. So, pa ko nag-eat of anything. Kunya, bugat kayo ni dala-dalahon. So, I just decided to come back. Okay. One subway stop pamampun ni siya away from my hotel. And niuli po ko kay up close, my makeup didn't turn out very well. Like, patchy siya, nga nagga-lift siya. And naanoy ko. Dili ko sure, like, on camera it looks fine. But up close, it doesn't look good. But I'm also tired. Ikapoy ko. So I probably just won't bother like redoing my whole face. So wala siya. Magkaon na lang kog egg tart for breakfast. Mag-taste test ta. I'm actually so excited. People said na lamig yun na siya. And I haven't really had my fair share of experience with egg tarts. I don't really buy tarts in general, but I'm excited So this is a sourdough egg tart from Bakehouse. This is good. Yeah, flaky ka siya. I don't know if you can see that. Oh wow, that's so good. That's really good. 10 out of 10. Hello everyone. I am finally done for the day. I am so tired. Let's try to recap what happened today. 'Cause I believe the last time I checked in was when I went back to drop off my bakehouse goods, and that was my breakfast at like 11 a.m. So after that, I went to meet with Megan and Iran. So we actually did spend the rest of the day together. Before I met up with them, I went to Sephora, and I actually already put away the Sephora things that I bought. I also went to IKEA. I went to a bunch of places. I spent a lot of money today. I did not expect to spend that much, but I did. But well, that's what happens when you're in Hong Kong. So we went to Sephora, and then I bought like a bunch of pasalubong. And then what else did I do? We went to Central. We went to Central and Causeway Bay. After Causeway Bay, we went to Mongkok. Then we spent quite a bit of time in Mongkok because of Sneaker Street. We just went around window shopping. And after we went to Mongkok, I went back here like for an hour just to drop off all the things that I bought. It is now time to tackle this. I'm not sure if you can see it, but can you see that? Yeah, exactly. So I need to sort my things out, and I need to pack because I need to sleep. I am so tired, I'm not even thinking clearly anymore.
Trains to airport.
Hello. I am at the airport express station. And well, it's been a ride. The way kay ko nakakuha og taxi, my Uber app was not working. And of course, wala rin nagkasinabot sa taxi driver. But fortunately, kasabot na siya kung asa ko gusto kong adto. So I'm now here, thankfully. I'll see you at the airport.